extremely hot water that I put together in my tea kettle. And that gets it really hot. You can see the steam in some areas, but see that? And I'm just liberally spraying this down. It's stain remover. I want to soak the top really good. So because I'm having to use my workbench, I just wrapped it with this tarp, and now I am ready to go. At least ready to get started. So guys, this is the end result of the bench that I was commissioned to do, and I wanted to give you some pointers about how to make sure the fabric is really soft when you're working the paint through as a dye resource. So remember my HD brush? After I would do each pass, all I would do is come over it and get the fibers back in an upright position. Another thing that you're going to want to use is a pair of scissors, because sometimes the fibers will stand up too far, like it will come up, and you can just clip those ones that are coming up. When you're using your paint, I'll show you the paint that I decided to use. This is what I had, and so this is what I used. I watered it down tremendously. Like, I would only take 3 dips of this and go in here, and I would fill the water completely. I got this little blue container from the Dollar Tree, and my brush, I got my brush from Home Depot. It's a Bear brush. So, but that's what I used. This brush was probably about $29. This paint was $9. This was $1. These are a couple of bucks at Harbor's Freight. And the sofa, the bench, the bench, not the sofa. The bench was free because I found it on the side of the road. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for